Hey, hi traders, this is Partiban. Today is 5th February 2016, 11 a.m. Okay, I'm preparing this video because today is the big event. Every first Friday of the month, they're going to release a non-farm employment change and unemployment rate, which is going to be a very high volatility news. And just want to educate you guys on NFP. See, some group claiming that they're forecasting NFP for past 12 months, 24 months, and they can predict 1 hour before, 30 minutes before, 1 minute before the news what trend is going to be. See, please do not get impressed with this kind of things. You have uh, to be a professional trader. You need to know what is the fundamental behind this NFP. Okay, so once you understand this clearly, you know what's going on there, so you don't get simply attracted or deviate by this kind of marketing guys. Okay, how does NFP works? See, 2008 US undergoes subprime crisis. Why the subprime crisis occur? Because the banks gave us, in a simple term, the bank gave a lot of loans to the citizens, and the citizens couldn't service their loans. So there was so much of leveraging situation conditions, so they couldn't service. So the bank was almost going default. Okay, so to recover the economy, they found that the whole US economy depends on the employment of the citizens. If the citizens are employed, the economy is good. If the citizens are not employed, economy is bad. So they were focusing on employment, whereas euro is different. So I'm not going to explain that over here. So just for US, and you see the non-farm. Why is it called non-farm? See, the employment, I mean the citizens divide into two: farmers and non-farmers. Okay, non-farmers are the white collars, the graduates, those who are working in a corporate company, factories. Farmers, see, for farmers, whether it's recession or not, they still survive. Only the non-farmers are affected by recession or economic crisis. So the US focusing so much on non-farm for the economy growth. So because more people are there, almost like 70-80% are thinking on, using their intellectual skill or intellect to earn money, or skills or trading skill, or most of the uh, highly skillful work. Okay, so they're focusing on that. So this data, today is February, right? Month of February. So this data is the month of January's data. So there's a 4 week, week 1, 2, 3, 4. So what they will do is they will average it, divide by 4, and will be released on the first week of next month, which is February. Okay, so to forecast this data, you have to focus on the Thursday's news, which is wait, okay, unemployment claim. Okay, I would say I can forecast the NFP direction 1 day earlier, because I know the fundamental. It's not that I'm saying only I can predict this. If you know the formula for this, you can predict everything. See, in forex trading, everything is a formula, everything is a correlation, everything is simplified into a formula. You just have to understand that. Once you understand that, everything becomes very simple. So on Thursday they will release unemployment claim. That means in US, those who are unemployed, they'll be claiming like some kind of allowances or some kind of small money, so for them to survive. And this happens every month. So this data is on January's data. Okay, so look at the forecast: 279k thousand people to claim the money, but turned out to be 285. This is bad news for US. So more people have claimed. If more people have claimed the money, means the employment is going to be bad next day, today. So the employment is going to be non-farm employment change, unemployment rate. Probably it's going to be higher, and see, more people requested. I mean, have taken the money, means the employment is going to be worse. Probably it's going to be red in color. Okay, red color. So US is going to be weak. So fundamentalists and economists can they know the correlation, they can predict this. So this is not something magic where you get impressed. This is a fundamental. Okay, and I'm going to explain another one more here. You see, earlier USD yen. Okay, so USD yen have given this pin bar high. This is the low. For the first time it break low, forming a high and lower, and forming another pin bar. We were short over here. It was downtrend, but we closed earlier. Okay, and the same pattern I see over here. Okay, the H1. Okay, this pin bar still not yet. I mean, not broken yet. Still valid. Downtrend, a lower high. So once break below this, it will form a give us an entry signal here, probably a pin bar or other thing. I'll go short over here, and I'll place my first take profit at this level. Okay, but it's a bit tricky where we know the data is going to be negative for USD, so Euro has a potential to go up further. Okay, we have to see whether this thing's really breaking this low and giving a retest by in 8 to 9 hours time. If it is not happen, means the uptrend continues. If it happens, then the data they might manipulate. How can they manipulate? Unemployment rate and non-farm employment. So they might be giving the unemployment rate won't be it might be fixed, but the non-farm employment change only change, and they got another counter trading here, CAT. So if the CAT is negative news compared to US negative news, so US is strong, so US will bring Euro down. So you have to look, this is another element of understanding fundamental. So I'll explain in the next video. Okay, so this is the opportunities, and okay, all done here. Okay, I've taken a position in Aussie yen. You see, this is horizontal key level where earlier it was resisted. Okay, market tried to penetrate above, fail, penetrate above, fail, penetrated, retesting, went up, forming a higher high, retest back, forming a rejection here. So what's possible is market retest again this level and go up. Okay, we have placed a buy trade over here and a stop loss below the key level. So let's see how it goes. Okay guys, thank you.